Hello and welcome here. Tonight we're going to learn how to crack a software. We're going to use high quality video, and I hope everybody will understand the way I'm telling this story. Okay, the first thing what we need is basically these two softwares, HiU32 and W32 disassembly software. And we're going to crack a PBK 2009, which is a keylogger. If you've got a antivirus or anti-spyware, it might pop up and say harmful software because of this. But don't worry, everything is okay. If you need these three software, you can download from a website which is on right hand side, more information. Anyway, the first thing we need to do is we'll have to install this one. Just double click this one and say next. Next is PPK, as you can see, keylogger 1.66. Next, very simple, straightforward, and say launch this program. Once it goes like this, what we need to do is just say enter registration code here, and you can write down whatever you want. I'm just going to write down Arsenal and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and whatever you need code, it doesn't matter. It's not going to work anyway, and as you can see here, it says potential harmful because of this software. So just ignore it. Just say OK. As you can see, is we've got registration code or username is invalid. So this is what we're looking, and you can use any software you like to crack for this. So we need registration code or username is invalid. Say OK. Close here, and go to C drive, my computer, and C drive here, program files, PPK. And make a copy of this PPK, the main exe. Right click, because we don't want to use as a read only. Copy this one, close here, just leave it here on the desktop, paste. Once you do that, just go to this disassembly software, W32, double click. And once you open, just go here, open, just go the one we copied earlier. And let's try to disassemble, as you can see, W32 DASM. Once you've got this software open, what you need to do is just go search, find text. We're going to write that as registration code. Yeah, I think I write the wrong way around. Registration code. That's enough. I just say find text. And this is not the right one. One more time. That's the right one. So as you can see, it says registration code or username is invalid. Please check all fields and try again. So this is what we're looking. Once you get this one, by using your keyboard or mouse, just go up a little bit. Just go up until you see conditional jump or address. This is what we're looking. This is the number we're looking at, 0041 D070, which is the one telling to jump if somebody puts wrong code. So what you need to do is just write it down to a notepad or anything, 0041 3070. If you try to crack different software, you might have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different codes. You have to input all of them. Anyway, we're going to write down this one, 0041 D070. Just say close this one. Yes, and you cannot close anything which is open. And the second thing you need to do is just drag this one and drop here, HiU32, and say run. You've got these things coming. What you need to do is click F4 in your keyboard so we can change the mode. F4, and just go down with your arrow keyboard and say decode. Once you've got here, what you need to do is we have to go inside here and write down the code very easily. So what you're going to use is F5, which is go to there, F5, and once you go there, just start with a dot, 00, that number we got earlier, that number, 0041 D070. Doesn't matter the capital letter or small letter, this one doesn't make any difference anyway. So 1.0041D070. We use F5 to go up here, and once you do that, just say enter. Once you enter, what you need to do is you have to find out what you put there, which is this one, 0041D070, and you can see OF859, all different codes are here. So what we need to do is we need to change to, forget this one, we need to change to editing mode, which is F3. So click F3. Once you do that, now we change to editing mode. By using your arrow keys, just go down there where F5 is and change this one to 4. Once you change to 4 this one, what you see here is JE is in here, which is everything is changing now and the software is cracked somehow. Once you do that, here says update, which is F9. You have to have here 8.4. Once it was 8.5, then you change to 8.4. If you have different software, you can put all of them here, the codes, and change code minus or plus. Once you finish this one, the only thing you need to do is just press F9. Everything is updated and written, and go to F10, which is exit. Now this software is cracked. What you need to do is right click, copy, go to the start, my computer, C drive, program files, PBK. Obviously we've got the software in here. Once you right click and say paste, it says I've got the same software here, and just say copy and replace. Once you do that, just leave it there. We can open from anywhere, from here, from program files. We can open from anywhere. So let's open from here, and it will ask you a keyboard key and registration. Just say enter registration code. You can put anything you want. Let's put Arsenal, and come here and put 22222222, anything. And once you do that, say OK. And what does it say? Registration succeeded. Thank you for choosing Perfect Keylogger. So this was like a really straightforward cracking, and you can actually do this one with a different kind of software, any software, as long as you can get the code where it says 0041. If you have a different softwares, which is about 5 or 6 codes, you can do exactly the same way. Change the number, and once you're cracked, you just bring it here and change, and everything is cracked, and you can use any username or any password you like. I hope everyone understand the way I show the video. If you need more information, you can always send me email or leave or subscribe on my site of YouTube. Thank you very much. Goodbye.